In Module 1, Introduction to Limit State Design and Serviceability. Introduction to Reinforced Cement Concrete, that is RCC. As you know that concrete is very strong in under compression, but they are weak in under tension and shear. Whenever is a concrete member are likely to be subjected to tension, they are reinforced with steel bars. Concrete structure use reinforcement of different types, reinforcing bars, plain or ribbed or weld mesh, fiber reinforcement and pre-stressing wires are used. Steel used for reinforcement should have the following qualities: 1. High tensile strength, could bond with concrete, nearly same coefficient of expansion as that of concrete. So this is a short introduction about the RCC. So next is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of RCC? First of all, the advantages of RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete. RCC is very good strength in tension as well as compression. RCC structure are durable if designed and led properly. They can last up to 100 years. RCC section can be given any shape easily by properly designing the formwork. Thus, it is more suitable for architectural requirements. The steel reinforcement imparts ductility to the RCC structures. RCC is cheaper as compared to steel and pre-stressed concrete. There is an overall economy by using RCC because its maintenance cost is low. The raw material which are required for RCC, that is cement, sands, aggregate, water and steel, are easily available and can be transported easily. RCC structure are more fire resistant than other commonly used construction material like steel and wood. RCC is almost impermeable to moisture. A properly designed RCC structure are extremely resistant to earthquake. Then there is some disadvantages, like the tensile strength of reinforced concrete above 1/9 of its compressive strength. The main step of using RCC are mixing, casting and curing. All of these affects the final strength, that is after 28 days of the characteristic strength. For multi-story building, the RCC column sections for larger than steel sections, as the compressive strength is lower in the RCC.